Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are dealing with the topic rational numbers. Let us do discussion for concept test 9. So the sum of rational number and its additive inverse is always 0. You can take any rational number. I am taking here 5. 5 is also a rational number. What is the additive inverse of 5? This will become minus 5, and if you will add this, always you will get 0. The product of a rational number and its reciprocal is always 1. Product of a rational number, you can take a rational number 2 upon 3. What is the reciprocal of 2 upon 3? 3 upon 2. We will need to find out their product. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled, 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and your answer will be 1. The reciprocal of minus 1 is minus 1. The reciprocal of 0 is not exists. 0, how can we write down 0? 0 upon 1. What is the reciprocal of 0 upon 1? 1 upon 0. Whenever 0 is in denominator, that number does not exist. Therefore, reciprocal of 0 is not exist. Reciprocal of 1 and the minus 1 is number itself. Reciprocal of 1 is 1, reciprocal of minus 1 is minus 1. So together we can say that reciprocal of 1 is the number itself. The multiplicative inverse of minus 3 is to 1 by 5. Whenever mixed fraction is there, friends, we need to convert this into improper fraction. So 5 3 is a 15 plus 1, 16 upon 5, and the sign will, minus sign will be with the minus 16. So now what is the reciprocal of this number? Reciprocal we denote by this minus 1. This already I have explained you in my earlier slides. So this will become now 5 upon minus 16. So this is also correct, and minus 16 always minus sign we write with the numerator. So minus 5 upon 16. So both the answers are correct. There are infinite rational numbers between any two rational number. So let us start with today's subtopic. Today's topic is properties of rational numbers. Which properties we are going to see here? Closure property, commutative property, associative property, and identity property. These properties already you have done with the whole numbers and with the integers. With the whole numbers in grade 6, with the integers in grade 7, and properties of rational number is in grade 8. And these properties we will observe for addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. Here I have written few values. These values you can take by your own. I have taken 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, so that the calculation will be easier. But this is up to you. You can take any values. Okay. So the first one we will start with the addition. For addition we will do all the 4 properties. Then with multiplication all the 4 properties. So let us start with addition. First one is closure. What is closure property? If A is a rational number, B is also a rational number, then the sum of A and B should be a rational number. Okay, so we will find out this. So value of A is 1 by 2 and value of B is 3 by 2. Okay, so your denominator is same. So add 1 plus 3 will give you 4. These numbers are divisible. So your answer is 2. And what can we say about 2? 2 is also a rational number. So we see that we can observe closure property in addition. So I am writing yes, we can observe closure property in addition of rational numbers. Now what is commutative property? If we just exchange these numbers, the order of the number answer should be same. So let us try. Value of A is 1 by 2, value of B is 3 by 2. Just we will solve on left hand side part. So this is 2, 3 plus 1 will give you 4, 4 divided by 2 will be 2. Now we will solve this right hand side part. Value of B is 3 by 2 plus value of A is 1 by 2. Again your denominators are same, so 3 plus 1 will give you 4, 4 by 2 will give you 2. So this way you can see that if we have changed the order, then also your answer is same, answer is equal. This is known as commutative property. So we can say that yes, we can observe commutative property in addition of rational numbers. Now come for the associative property. Again first we will solve the left hand side part. Value of A is 1 by 2 bracket, value of B is 3 by 2, value of C is 5 by 2. Whenever bracket is there, always first we solve bracket. So this 2 is common and we will add this 5 plus 3 will give you 8. Again now your denominator is common, so write down this 2, 8 plus 1 will give you 9 by 2. Now we will solve this right hand side part. So bracket, value of A is 1 by 2, value of B is 3 by 2 plus value of C is 5 by 2. Now here bracket, these two numbers are there. So first we will add these two numbers. Your denominator is same. So 2, 3 plus 1 will give you 4 plus 5 by 2, and now again your denominators are same, so denominator will be 2, 5 plus 4 will give you 9 by 2. So if we change the order of the bracket, we will change the groups, then also your answer is same, or we can say answer is equal. It means we can see this associative property in addition of rational numbers. Now identity, which is the additive identity, always we take 0. What does it mean? If we add 0 in any number, your answer should be 0, and if you will change the order, then also your answer should be 0. Okay, let us try. So value of A is 1 by 2 plus 0 will give you 1 by 2. Okay, sorry, it should be A, this should not be 0, this should be A. So what is the value of A? 1 by 2. Here also this is 1 by 2. Now 0 plus A, so 0 plus 1 by 2. So your answer is 1 by 2. So all the three cases you are getting 1 by 2. All the three answers are same. What does it mean? You can find out identity element in addition of rational number. And what is the additive identity? Additive identity is 0. 0 doesn't make the change if we add in any of the number. Now, so addition, all the four properties are over. Now we will start with the multiplication. Multiplication also we are going to observe all the four properties. Okay, so let us start. So value of A is 1 by 2, value of B is 3 by 2. Since multiplication, so now everywhere you will get multiplication sign. Solve this. 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is also a rational number. So we can say that yes, we can observe closure property in multiplication of rational numbers. Now come for the commutative property. Again substitute the value. We will solve left hand side part. 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. So this will become 3 by 4. Now we will solve right hand side part. Value of B is 3 by 2. Value of A is 1 by 2. Again you need to multiply. So your answer is 3 by 4. It means if you will change the order of multiplication, then also your answer is same. What does it mean? Yes, we can see commutative property, we can observe commutative property in multiplication of rational numbers. Now come for the associative property. Again we will solve left hand side part first. So 1 by 2 in bracket 3 by 2 multiplied by 5 by 2. So first we will solve this bracket 1 part. So 5 3s are 15 upon 4, and now again 15 by 8. Now we will solve right hand side part. So in bracket 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 multiplied by value of C is 5 by 2. Again we will solve bracket first. So this will give you 3 by 4 and 5 by 2. Again multiply this, you will get 15 by 8. So here also we have observed that if we change the group of the multiplication, if you put bracket in different places, then also your final answer is same, equal. So we can put here equal to sign, and we can say that yes, we can observe associative property in multiplication of rational numbers. Now let us come for the identity element. So identity element, For multiplication it is always 1, because with 1 if you multiply any number you get the same number. So let us try with the rational number. Value of a is 1 by 2 into 1 will give you 1 by 2. Value of a is 1 by 2. This is also 1 by 2, and 1 by 2, 1 into 1 by 2, so this is also 1 by 2. So here you have seen that if we multiply by 1 we are getting the same rational number. It means we can observe identity element in multiplication of rational numbers. And what is the multiplicative identity? Multiplicative identity is 1. So here with these two operations we have seen that all the four operations we can observe in addition of multiplication and addition of rational numbers, and all the four operations we can observe in multiplication of rational numbers. Additive identity is 0, multiplicative identity is 1. Now same thing we will do with the subtraction and division. I have taken the same values. Okay, so just substitute the value of a is 1 by 2. Now since subtraction, now you will get sign of minus. So 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2, you will get minus 2 by 2, and that is minus 1. So minus 1 is again a rational number. So we can say that yes, we can observe a closure property in subtraction of rational numbers. Now come for commutative property. So 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Your answer is minus 2 by 2, and here the answer is minus 1. Now value of b is 3 by 2 and value of a is 1 by 2. Subtract this, you will get 2 by 2 and your answer is 1. It means these two numbers, these two answers are not equal. So this should not be equal, and we can say that no, we cannot observe commutative property in subtraction. Okay, my dear students, this is your work. Substitute the values and find out. But by using logic we can say that if two numbers cannot be commutative, so this same thing we cannot do with the associative property, and here also your answer will be no. Just try to substitute the values and try to find out your left hand side and right hand side is equal or not, but you will not get equal. This will not be equal. So we can say that no, we cannot observe associative property in subtraction of rational numbers. Now come with the identity. So 1 by 2 minus 0, this should be also a. So answer is 1 by 2. Value of a is 1 by 2. And now 0 minus 1 by 2 will give you minus 1 by 2. So here your answers are not equal. So we cannot observe any identity for the subtraction of rational numbers. Now same thing we will do with the division. Now everywhere you will get division sign. So substitute the value 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. So what is the property? We convert this division sign into multiplication and we take reciprocal of this number. So this will become 2 upon 3. Just cut the number. So you will get 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is a rational number. So we can say that yes, we can observe closure property in division, but there is one case: b should not be equal to 0. If your b will be 0, you cannot observe. This will not be a rational number. So b should not be equal to 0. This is the case. For this case only you can observe closure property in division of rational numbers. Now we will go for commutative property. Value of a is 1 by 2. Value of b is 3 by 2. So just convert this in multiplication. Take reciprocal of 3 by 2 will be 2 by 3 and the answer will be 1 by 3. Now here value of b is 3 by 2 divided by value of a is 1 by 2. So again we will take reciprocal of 1 by 2. So this will become 2 by 1. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So here your answer is 3. So again you can see that here 1 by 3 and right hand side is 3. So these two are not equal. So what does it mean? No, we cannot observe commutative property in division. Again, my dear student, this is your work. Substitute the values and find out right hand side and left hand side answer is equal or not. But by logic, we can say that if this is not true for 2, definitely this will not be true for 3. So this should not be equal, and we can say no, we cannot observe division, associative property in division of rational numbers. Now come here for the identity element. So 1 by 2 divided by 1. If we divide by 1, we get the same number 1 by 2. Value of A is 1 by 2. Now 1 divided by 1 by 2. So we will take reciprocal of 1 by 2 will give you 2 and the answer will be 2. So one answer is 1 by 2, one is 1 by 2, another answer is 2. So this is not equal. Okay, so we can say that no, we cannot observe any identity element for the division of rational numbers. So what we have observed, that closure property we can observe in subtraction of rational numbers. Only closure property we can observe in subtraction of rational number. Closure property, only closure property we can observe in division of rational number, but the condition should be b should not be equal to 0. Now next is again very important property, distributive property. This property is very easy and makes our work easy. It's very helpful for us. So what is distributive of multiplication over addition? Multiplication over addition. How to read? Multiplication over subtraction. Only this one is true. Most of the time this is asked addition over multiplication. So this is wrong. What is correct? Multiplication over addition, multiplication over subtraction. What we do, we just multiply these two numbers a into b. We write down whatever sign is there plus, so we will write down plus, and then with a we will multiply by c. Same way here, a multiplied by b, so write down a multiplied by b. Now subtraction sign is there, so write down subtraction sign, and then a multiplied by c, a multiplied by c. So this property is known as distributive property, distribution of multiplication over addition, multiplication over subtraction. So here also we will verify is it correct or not. So first we will solve this left hand side part. I am explaining you this property with the help of one example. So here we will multiply these two numbers. So this will become 4 upon 5 multiplied by minus 3 upon 4. Then which sign is there? Plus, and then again multiply these two rational numbers. So 4 upon 5 multiplied by 5 upon 6. Here you have observed that I have kept some place before plus and after plus and. So while writing you also do the same thing so that there will be no confusion with the numbers. So this is multiplication of rational numbers. So we can cut one number from numerator, one from denominator, multiply the remaining number. So this will become minus 3 upon 5 plus. Here you can cut this 5 and 5, one from numerator, one from denominator. Every time I am going to repeat this sentence because most of the time students they cut both the numerators and both the denominators. That is wrong. So now these two numbers are also cut by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So this will become 2 upon 3. Now we need to take LCM. Your LCM will be 15. Now recite table of 5. 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9 and with minus sign. Plus 3 5s are 15, 5 2s are 10. Now use integer concept. Minus 9 plus 10 will give you 1 upon 50. Now we will solve this right hand side part. So here for multiplication of rational numbers, so we can cut this 4 and 4. So what is left here? Minus 3 upon 5. Then plus sign. Here also this 5 and 5 we can cut. So what is left? Again this also we can cut. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So this is 2 by 3. Again take LCM. Your LCM will be 15. So 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9 with minus sign. 3 5s are 15, 5 2s are 10. Again 1 by 15. So you can see that our right hand side and left hand side part is same. So this property is true. This is the way we can verify. Whenever the question is from verify, so hence write down hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. This you are supposed to write down. Now my dear student, this is your time. Read the question and write down the answers. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video, and also to watch my next video.